The top 3 biggest features for the Axis Road Warrior are the full-featured briefcase/organize your life capability, the versatile and removable BYOB camera insert, and the hidden Bluetooth tracker pocket for AirTag and Tile. Whatever you need a pocket for, this bag has one. Passport and wallet, water bottle, laptop up to 16 inches, small camera kit or 2 days worth of clothes, 12-inch iPad Pro, documents and a notebook, business cards, sunglasses, chapstick and medicine, pens, earbuds, wet wipes, and there are still 2 more pockets to go. I've literally flown 1,000,000 miles with some version of this bag, and we've refined the design continuously over the last 15 years. This is the best one we've ever made.